I celebrate every day with my turtle squad. Please welcome me, clown action.
Start by pumping up your eucalyptus green 260 balloon and tie a knot, but you can use any other green. Now make an apple twist for the head. To do this, push the nozzle into the balloon, grab the nozzle from the inside with your other hand, and twist it. Push the longer bit of the balloon into the shorter bit to secure it. Now, make 4 4cm bubbles for its legs. Make sure you have 4 legs. Tie the last leg back to the head. Make sure to keep 2 legs on one side and 2 legs on the other. Now, make a 6cm bubble for the shell, and twist it in between the 2 legs at the back. So then the shell is on the top of the body and above the 4 legs. You can now cut off the rest of your balloon and tie a knot. Use the tail of the shell and tie it back to the head to secure it. And the twisting part is complete. Now onto the drawing. Get a white marker and draw upside down semicircles for the eye. Now use a black marker and draw on a hexagon and a couple of lines to replicate the shell. Draw on a couple of swirls as patterns on the shell. Now making sure your white marker is dry, outline the eye with black. Draw on some nostrils. Now use a green marker to color in the eyes. Draw on a couple of spots on the limbs for a little bit of pattern. And your balloon turtle is complete.
Whoa, I have a balloon turtle. Thanks for watching. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.